You just returned from a trip. The memories are fresh. Your photos are still uploading. But there's something else you brought back. Something invisible. Lurking in the wheels, the lining, the zippers of your luggage. It's not just dust. It's bacteria, grime, and sometimes even bed bugs. Because your clamshell suitcase, the one that traveled through airport belts, hotel rooms, taxi trunks, and bathroom floors, is a magnet for filth. And the worst part? Most people never clean it. So if your suitcase is just sitting in the corner, zipped up with the same germs from your last trip. Like this video? Subscribe to The Big Sweep, and let's deep clean it the right way, inside and out. Your luggage goes places your clothes never would. Airport conveyor belts, pavement puddles, public transport floors. And yet, once we're home, we toss it into the closet, zipped up and untouched. But what hides inside could surprise you. Dirt, bacteria, mold, even allergens from other countries. And if you don't clean it, the next time you pack, you're literally mixing your fresh clothes with old dirt. So cleaning your clamshell luggage isn't just a hygiene step, it's travel aftercare. It's how you protect your belongings and your health. Step 1. Exterior deep clean. Make it look new again. Start with the outside. Use a vacuum to remove any loose dirt or crumbs, especially from corners and wheels. Then take a soft cloth, some warm water and mild soap, or a small amount of diluted dish detergent, and wipe the hard shell. For fabric exteriors, use a soft brush or sponge instead. Pay extra attention to handles, zippers, and wheels. They collect the most grime. And here's the trick. Use a toothbrush dipped in soapy water to scrub tight areas around the wheels and zipper tracks. Once done, wipe it again with clean water and dry it thoroughly with a towel. It'll shine like new, and more importantly, it'll be safe to touch. Step 2. Interior cleaning. What lurks beneath the liner. Now open it up. The inside of a clamshell suitcase might look clean, but lift the divider flaps, unzip the inner pockets, and you'll find dust, lint, and maybe even stains from leaky toiletries or food wrappers. Start by vacuuming the entire interior. Use a handheld vacuum or the upholstery attachment of your regular one. Then, use a mild disinfecting spray, something safe for fabrics, and mist the interior lightly. Don't soak it, just enough to clean the surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth. For odor removal, sprinkle baking soda inside, close the lid, and let it sit for a few hours. Then, vacuum again. It absorbs smells like magic. Step 3. Disinfect and debug. Especially if you stayed in hostels or traveled internationally, it's a smart move to disinfect your suitcase thoroughly. Wipe down the zipper handles and metal parts with alcohol-based wipes. If you're concerned about bed bugs, yes, they can cling to fabric. Use a garment steamer or hairdryer on high heat and run it across all fabric surfaces. Heat kills bugs and eggs. It takes 5 minutes, but it can prevent weeks of panic. Step 4. Protect and condition. Once cleaned, let's protect your luggage. For hard shells, apply a luggage-safe protectant spray or car wax to create a barrier against future scuffs and dirt. For fabric, you can use a fabric protector spray like Scotchgard to resist stains on your next trip. And don't forget to lubricate the zippers using a dry, silicone-based lube, or even just rubbing a little wax to keep them smooth and rust-free. This step is optional, but it makes your luggage last longer, work better, and look like it's still new, even years later. Why it feels mentally refreshing. Here's something no one talks about. Cleaning your luggage doesn't just make it look good, it feels good. When you wipe it down, air it out, and store it properly, it's a mental reset. It signals the end of one journey and the quiet readiness for another. You're not just storing memories, you're preparing for new ones, with a fresh, clean start. And that, honestly, feels therapeutic. Don't just unpack, deep clean. Your luggage is your silent travel companion. It's with you in every airport, every city, every adventure. So don't treat it like just a box to stuff things into. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let's laugh, learn, and clean together.